Jesus is helping me. I can do the things that He does. I can love like Jesus. I believe His light can shine through me. I can do the things that He does. I can love like Jesus. I wanna be a good, good friend. Good, good friend. A good, good friend. Oh, I wanna be a good, good friend. Just like Jesus. With His help, I will forgive. I will forgive. I will forgive. Oh, with His help, I will forgive. Just like Jesus. I believe Jesus is helping me. I can do the things that He does.
I can love like Jesus.
I believe His light can shine through me. I can do the things that He does. I can love like Jesus. I wanna be a good, good friend. A good, good friend. A good, good friend. Oh, I wanna be a good, good friend. Just like Jesus. With His help, I will forgive. I will forgive. I will forgive. Oh, with His help, I will forgive. Just like Jesus. Everybody now. I can love like Jesus. I can love like Jesus. I can love like Jesus. I can love like Jesus.
You know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse.
Oh, hey friends! Welcome to the clubhouse. My name is Sanjay. Guess what? My auntie gave me this camera to take to camp. My friends and I have been having so much fun taking pictures at camp. This is a picture of Mark. Mark loves playing on the scooter boards. This is a picture of Jayla. Jayla loves snack time. This is a picture of Danny. Danny loves story time. I love taking pictures of my friends. It's Ollie.
Hello, Sanjay. Taking pictures, are you?
I am Ollie. These are pictures of my friends at camp.
Friends are important. Yes, it's true. I know someone who was a good friend, too. Listen to this story. Just follow me through.
Follow me through, follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Are you a good girl, Stormy Jane? Yes, you are. Oh, hi, friends. I'm Carrie the dog walker, and this is my best dog, Stormy Jane. Stormy Jane? Where'd she go? She was just here a minute ago. There you are, Stormy Jane. Oh, and look, you brought friends. These are Stormy's friends. This is Pepe, Goldie, and Duke. Stormy, I am so glad you have these friends. Hey, do you know that Jesus had friends? It's true. That reminds me of today's story. If you're ready for a story, give a friend a high five. Today's true story from the Bible begins with Jesus and his friends, the disciples. The disciples followed Jesus everywhere he went, and Jesus showed them how to love like him. One day, Jesus was teaching his disciples. And after he was done, he did something very special. Can you see what Jesus is doing? Yes, he's praying. Jesus is talking to God. Jesus prayed for his friends. He asked God to protect them and to help them love like him. But Jesus didn't stop there. Jesus kept praying. And guess who he prayed for next? Take your pointer finger and now point it at yourself. Yes, Jesus prayed for you and for me and for everyone who would follow him. Jesus prayed that we would do what he says and love each other the way he loves us. One way we can love like Jesus is praying for each other. Let's think together. Who are some people we can pray for? We can pray for our family. We can pray for our friends. We can pray for our teachers and our doctors and our coaches. We can ask God to help them know how much God loves them. We can ask God to help them feel better when they're sick. We can thank God for all the ways they help us. We can pray for others and do what Jesus says. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Ollie, tell me, who can do what Jesus says?
I can do what Jesus says. Yes, it's true. Now, let's hear it from you. Tell me, who can do what Jesus says?
I can do what Jesus says. That's the truth, friends. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story. And it's all true. Jesus prayed for others and prayed for us too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo! Hoo!
Wow, Jesus was a good friend to others by praying for them. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. When I look at these pictures, I will remember to pray for each one of my friends. Hey, I know. Can I take a picture of you? Say cheese. Great. See you next time. Bye.
Be kind and loving to each other. Ephesians 4:32. Be kind and loving to each other. Ephesians 4:32.